How to fix Messenger video call problem or Messenger call sound. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel How to Geek. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can fix your Messenger's video call problem or video call sound. So you simply want to make sure to stick with me till the end. Now this process could differ from both Android and iOS users. So if you're using it on iPhone, open up settings first of all. Once you open settings, you want to look for the option called privacy and security and then just tap on it. The very first thing you want to make sure is to simply look for the option called camera in this case and then just tap on it, and then you want to make sure that the Messenger's option is also toggle green, because if it is turned off, it means that Messenger's camera option is off. It will not be able to use a camera unless you turn it on. Now not only camera, when you're actually calling someone, another thing is the sound, right? So for that, you want to make sure that it has enabled the microphone permission as well. So over here, just look for the option called microphone, as you can see, and once you go to microphone here as well, you want to make sure that the Messenger app has enabled microphone access. Now after you do this, you should be able to go ahead and then open up your Messenger and then place a video call. If not, then you can simply open settings, go to general, go to iPhone storage, look for the application called Messenger on this list, and once you look for the Messenger app, just tap. Once you find them, tap on offload again, and then see if that solves your problem. If that doesn't help as well, the final step I would recommend you do is simply open up the App Store. In the search box, just type in Messenger and then check if the Messenger app has an update, and if it does, definitely make sure to update it to the latest version. Hopefully one of these solutions may have helped solve your problem. If it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have got any questions though, feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching, and then see you in the next video.